The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro in all metal tablet that sell in three colors: black, blue and green. The slate weight just 590 grams and a 6 speaker and Dolby Atmos support. There are 4 microphones on tablet. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is bigger than the regular Pad 6 Pro. Even tough, it also has a 12.4-inch IPS LCD screen. The Pad 6s Pro features a boxier 3.2 aspect ratio, a higher 3048x2032 pixel resolution. So Xiaomi states that this tablet display is professionally color calibrated to a CIE 2015 color curve, matching Xiaomi flagship line of TV, laptop and phone displays. The panel is covered with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and Sport Pin input. The device has a touch sampling rate of 360Hz, but for the pin input it is 240Hz. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro comes with Android 14 based on HyperOS. Some apps will offer unique optimization to take the best out of the tablet's big screen. The WPS Office and Catch Viewer support triple screen split, which is something very interesting compared to usual double screen split feature. Xiaomi calls it Workbench. You can have two apps running side by side or serial apps as floating window over the UI. It's also possible to pair the tablet with an external monitor or use it as a second display for a window laptop. The device bag can also magnetically attach to the Xiaomi SU7 car. It's powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 8GB, 12GB or 16GB of RAM and two 512GB, 512GB or 1TB of internal storage. The battery is 140 mAh unit with 120 watt fast charging. Xiaomi has implemented two custom chips to safeguard the battery. There is the P2 chip that monitors the fast charging, while the G1 chip manages the battery health. The tablet comes with 50 megapixel 2.76-inch sensor with f1.8 aperture. It is joined by a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait. The main camera supports 4K video recording. For selfies and video call, there are excellent 32 megapixel shooter with f2.2 aperture. This tablet supports 2XC Smart Touch keyboard which costs 649 yuan and the focus style for 499 yuan. The keyboard has a full size and backlit keys and a mechanical trackpad with a stylish sport 8192 level of pressure and has 3 ms of latency. The 8GB 25GB costs 3299 yuan.